How to recover deleted TikTok videos. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. Then let's navigate to our profile page. Now, if any of your TikTok videos is missing, maybe you have deleted some videos or they have been deleted and you don't know what happened, but you want them back. Now, there's an easy feature or option that TikTok provides us, and it goes like this. Once you are on your profile page right here, what you need to do is you need to click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy, and here you need to scroll down to the support and about section. Then from there click on report a problem. And once the page has been loaded, scroll down to the topics section, and from there click on videos and sounds. You will be redirected to this page right here, from which you need to scroll down and click on the option that says video missing. Once you click on it, you will get this drop down menu right here, in which you can click on other, and you will be redirected to this page right here. Click on need more help option at the bottom. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, and essentially what you need to do right here is to maybe screenshot uh, the missing video or your profile page where all of your videos are, and what you need to do is you need to message the TikTok team asking them that one or multiple videos of yours have been deleted, maybe mistakenly, or you have deleted them yourself and now you want them back, depending on what reasons you have. To each one his different reasons. Make a good explanation. Say, for example, please help me get back my deleted videos. They are important to me, or something like that. And once you are done, click on submit to send the feedback, and after a while, maybe a few business days, they should get back to you to solve your problem. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can recover the deleted videos on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.